Yan. So, sarap ng tulog ko gabi. Yan. So, yung coat ko nandito lang. Ilagay ko lang dito muna kasi. I-tour ko kayo. Breakfast muna tayo. Ika, saan ba itong aking ano? Yan, ilagay ko na ito. Yan. Kasi charge ko muna. I'm charging my phone. Yeah, correct. So nice. Yan. Diba? Tinur ko kayo yun sa aming holiday homes. Ayan, oh. Mag-go down tayo, ha? So, this is the welcome door. And then, oh, that's so nice there. So, there's another room here. Downstairs. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah. Yan, we'll get our breakfast now. I'll just the video here.
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah. Nice view. Hi, Fred. So this is the kitchen. Yeah, nice view really. This is the toilet. Yeah, this is the kitchen. So yan, akit naman tayo. Where is it? Ganda ng view. Yeah, correct. Ganda ng view. Ganda ng view dito. Yan. May piniplay lang ako. Windy siya, guys. Windy. Go down again. Did you get your breakfast? Sure. The the nice view we have. No, so nice.
Have you no coverage?
Huh? The view. Yeah. So nice. I know. You want some toast? Yeah. You want me to put the Oh, yeah. I'll do that. Huh? That's fine. So our toast. The other one, this one is not working, I think.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so Fred, you want some? This is not working.
I gave him a big bowl of porridge.
Oh, right, okay.
Custard, and then he had the cup of tea, and he had.
Oh, that's good. Yeah.
So he had loads so far.
So far, so good. You're enjoying, Fred.
Yeah. He's very good.
Very good. Oh, look at that there, no? So nice. So nice view. So nice.
Escape artist.
Where? I know. That's the one there. Yeah, so beautiful, really. Fred, we're going home. Oh my. This is the only blinds they have, but not in here. Yeah.
Do you want eggs?
Yeah. Oh no, I don't know if boiled egg or okay.
Do you want poached egg?
Oh yeah, sure. Done, yeah.